the Caregiver Connection podcast by Best Care, where we dive into new topics each week, drawing inspiration from our insightful and educational blog posts. We're committed to providing valuable information that impacts both home care clients and caregivers. Without further ado, let's jump into this week's episode. Give thanks for healthy diet tricks for seniors. With Thanksgiving just a few weeks away, this is the time of year when our minds shift to cooking and eating a tremendous amount of food. That juicy turkey, tasty gravy, and scrumptious mashed potatoes leave many of our belts a few notches looser come Friday morning. You can rest assured that all of us here at Best Care will be enjoying our Thanksgiving this year by eating way too much with family and friends. As this, the season of eating, now is a great time to talk about healthy eatings for senior home care patients. Consuming healthy foods is one of the most beneficial things a senior can do for their home health. In fact, a healthy diet has been shown to increase mental acuteness, strengthen resistance to illness and disease, and provide higher energy levels among seniors. While breaking old habits may seem intimidating for some, starting new healthy eating habits can be a tasty way to change your life for the better. Here are some easy tips that personal care assistants should take to help their home care patients start eating healthier. 1. Get creative to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your home care plan. Try juicing fruits in blenders for drinking or pureeing, vegetables to add into sauces. 2. High-protein foods are essential to maintain muscle in seniors. Instead of meat, try easier-to-eat protein-rich options like peanut butter, tuna, cheese, and yogurt. And lastly, supplemental drinks are a great choice for getting many of the nutrients that the body needs. While these shouldn't be used for every meal, they are quick, easy, and a healthy option. After the final turkey leg has been eaten this Thanksgiving, start prioritizing healthy eating in your home care plans. Work with senior home care patients, especially to develop habits that will lead to a healthier life. Contact Best Care to learn more about developing home care plans and find caregiver resources that will help you provide the best in-home supportive services possible. If you find this podcast helpful, share this with a friend, leave a review, and don't forget to subscribe. Contact us today for expert guidance and support. Visit bestcaremn.com. Thanks for listening to the Caregiver Connection.